Every button you tap, every error message you read, and every notification you see. Someone wrote those words with purpose. That person is a UX writer. But what exactly do UX writers do, and why are they so important in digital product design? Let's dive in. A UX writer is a professional responsible for crafting the words that guide users through a product's interface. Unlike copywriters who sell, or content writers who inform, UX writers focus on clarity, usability, and the overall user journey. Their goal is simple: make sure users never feel lost in an app, website, or product. Imagine downloading a new app. If the buttons are unclear, the instructions are confusing, or the error messages feel robotic, you'll leave frustrated. This is where UX writing shines. It makes digital experiences smooth, friendly, and human. A single word can change how a user feels about your product. For example, submit feels cold, but send message feels personal and clear. Writing microcopy, the small but essential text like buttons, labels, tooltips, and menus. Creating error messages that guide users without overwhelming them. Writing onboarding flows that make new users feel comfortable. Ensuring consistency in tone and voice across the product. Collaborating closely with designers, product managers, and developers.
Clear communication. Writing simple, user-friendly text. Empathy. Understanding what users feel and need. Collaboration. Working with design and product teams. Research. Testing how users respond to different words. Design awareness. Knowing how text interacts with UI elements. People often confuse UX writers with copywriters, but there's a big difference. Copywriters sell the product. UX writers guide you through the product. Both are important, but UX writing directly impacts usability and user satisfaction. So, next time you use an app, pay attention to the words guiding you. Behind every clear button and friendly message, there's a UX writer making your experience smoother. Want to learn more about UX, UI, and product design? Watch more tutorials on PX Mentor.